Prosecutor Padulyon, ini-insist mo kasi yung restitution kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. Will you still insist on that?
Sir, we never mentioned that restitution is a condition. Paulit-ulit po namin sinasabi yon, Mr. Chair, na hindi po siya kondisyon para ang isang tao ay matanggap o makonsidera bilang isang witness under the Witness Protection
Tapos na
Program.
tayo dyan. Tapos na tayo dyan. Ang
Kaya
naging
nga po,
problema-
sinasagot ko po kayo na hindi ko po namin sinasabi. Wala po kami sinasabi na restitution is a condition. So I'm not insisting on it, sir.
Hindi mo sinasabi ngayon, but when you were talking about a memorandum, yun ang sinasabi mo, there, pwede naming ilagay yung restitution because it is a matter of good public policy. Ano namang klaseng, kaya nga nahihirapan sila eh. Yung Diskaya, to my mind, were the first to apply under the Witness Protection Program. Ang problema, ang sabi ng then Secretary of Justice, now Ombudsman, ay hindi naman basta-basta ganun. Kinakailangan isaulin ninyo yung ininakaw ni. Ang problema po doon, kung wala namang wala namang korte pa pong nagsasabi kung talagang sila ay nagnakaw o nakapagnakaw, sino pong magkukwenta noon? Tapos ano yung in-explain ninyo under a certain paragraph of the law, merong memorandum na kung saan magkukomply sila doon, doon yung pinipilit yung restitution. And I think some of the potential witnesses that can be processed under that program, nagsipagbigay na ng kung ano-ano eh. Is that the truth?
Only those who have been admitted into the program actually returned or made the restitution, sir.
Why did they do that? They did that because it was their own initiative, or you required them to do that?
It was an agreement between the Department of Justice through the Secretary of Justice, sir, and the witness applicant po.
That is the problem. The agreement is based not on the provision of the WPP.